Hello everyone, I got this cute little food saver cordless handheld food vacuum sealer for free as a PR. Pretty cool, right? So let's review it together. The packaging comes with one docking station and 4 1-quart vacuum seal zipper bags. We all know that there has been a skyrocketing increase in grocery prices which you cannot control, but there is something that you can control, which is save money and reduce waste. And I will explain how with this product. Well, Food Saver Vacuum Seal technology removes oxygen to extend the life of food, helping it last longer in pantry, fridge or freezer. It keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer than ordinary storage method like foil, plastic wraps or containers. So there you go, no more wastage. Do you know that now you can save money with this product too? Do you want to know how?
Look at that.
Well, now whenever your favorite product will go on a sale, you can buy them, stock them up and save them with Food Saver. And there you go. Now you can also buy one of those big avocado bags whenever it goes on a sale. These multi-layered design bags, it locks in the flavor and it keeps your food fresher for longer. It also helps to save the time by meal planning and marinating in minutes instead of hours. The Food Saver handheld vacuum sealer is so tiny and handy that it does not take up your valuable kitchen space. But the most interesting thing to me is that their fantastic innovative motor, the entire process is so quiet and quick that it can seal up to 60 1-quart bag on full 24-hour charge. Isn't that amazing? And do you see all of those excess air that gets removed through efficient pump? It's compatible with their old vacuum zipper bags and food container. Oh, I would give 10 out of 10 definitely. It's pretty useful. Make sure to check out their other products as well on their website. You're gonna love it for sure. Thank you for sending me such an incredible product which is actually practically useful.